It's Tuesday, June 23rd. In the headlines, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness defends the government's decision on third country nationals program. In business news, Climate Change Ministry gets grant funding. Regionally, one Caribbean visa proposed for regional travel. And in sports, Leon Bailey reaffirms commitment to reggae boys and Jamaica. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.